Hello and welcome to this powerful guided meditation specifically designed to support you on your journey towards healing from post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. In this meditation, we will delve deep into a nurturing space of self-compassion and resilience, gently guiding you towards finding relief from the burdens of PTSD. Remember, this practice is a safe and supportive sanctuary where you can honor your emotions and embrace the process of healing. First, we'll begin with the quotes. I live for myself, and I answer to nobody. I believe in living today, not in yesterday nor in tomorrow. Racing is life. Anything before or after is just waiting. I don't believe in that phony hero stuff. I'm not sure whether I'm an actor who races or a racer who acts. I would rather wake up in the middle of nowhere than in a city on earth. When you believe in yourself, you've got 50% of the way to success. I'd rather regret the things I've done than regret the things I haven't done. I don't go for that fancy stuff. I like the simple things in life. I've always maintained that I'm an ordinary man blessed with extraordinary opportunities. Now, let us begin. I want you to close your eyes and take a deep breath in, a deep cleansing breath in. Inhale through your nose, drawing in strength and courage, holding it and letting go through your mouth. Release any tension or negative energy you may be holding. With each breath, allow yourself to be present in this moment, fully acknowledging the journey that you have undertaken. Now visualize a warm, radiant light coming towards you from above and around you, wrapping you in a cocoon of love and understanding. Feel this light, sense this beautiful light surrounding you in understanding, embracing you, wrapping you in this cocoon of love, of appreciation, of acknowledgement. This light is a symbol of your own resilience, of your own strength, of your own courage, and the infinite potential for healing that you have within you. Feel the embrace of this light. Sense it. It is now gently easing your worries and your fears. Just keep breathing in and out. Keep breathing in and out. Keep feeling this light around you. You are safe. You are safe. You're becoming stronger. You are courageous. Now stay here in the present moment. Do not go anywhere. Do not think of the past or the future. Feel the present moment. Can you sense the steady beat of your heart, the rhythm of the life that you have that persists within you? Your heart is a shield of compassion, a shield of compassion that has formed around you and has protected you from any distressing thoughts or memories. If any thoughts or memories arise, acknowledge them and let them go. Do not hold on to them. Allow yourself to observe these thoughts without judgment. Acknowledge their presence, but do not attach yourself to these thoughts, these memories. Acknowledge their presence without becoming entangled in them. There's no need to be chained to these thoughts, these memories. You are here in the present moment, surrounded by this cocoon of loving, compassionate light. Now in your mind's eye, Picture a safe place that brings you comfort and tranquility. It might be a cherished memory, a place in nature, or even the tender embrace of a loved one. As you immerse yourself in this serene space, connect with the emotions of safety and peace that it brings. Remember, this is your sanctuary, and you have the power to revisit it whenever you need. Now take a moment to express gratitude for your own strength, for your own resilience, for your own courage. Appreciate yourself, respect yourself, honor yourself. Recognize the incredible journey you have embarked on and the bravery you exhibit each day as you navigate the complexities of PTSD and other thoughts and other negative things that may have happened to you. You have shown bravery, you have shown courage, you have become stronger and more resilient. Now embrace this knowledge that healing is a process, and it is okay to take one step at a time. Offer yourself compassion, just as you would extend it to a dear friend or a loved one. We will now use the quotes again. I live for myself, and I answer to nobody. I believe in living today, not in yesterday nor in tomorrow. Racing is life. Anything before or after is just waiting. I don't believe in that phony hero stuff. I'm not sure whether I'm an actor who races or a racer who acts. I would rather wake up in the middle of nowhere than in a city on earth. When you believe in yourself, you've got 50% of the way to success. I'd rather regret the things I've done than regret the things I haven't done. I don't go for that fancy stuff. I like the simple things in life. I've always maintained that I'm an ordinary man blessed with extraordinary opportunities. Now, slowly return to your awareness to the present moment. Keep your eyes closed. Keep taking deep breaths in and feeling the life force flowing within you and through you. Remember where you are. Whether you're in a room or an office or wherever or outside, with your eyes closed, imagine where you are, standing, sitting, or lying down. Acknowledge this. Now, as you gently open your eyes, you bring this newfound sense of peace and compassion with you. You have brought this peace and compassion with you in this life and this journey. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. You are not alone in this journey. Reach out to supportive friends. Reach out to supportive family and professionals who can offer guidance and understanding. Continue to nurture yourself with practices that empower your healing process, including this meditation. You can use this meditation as often as you wish. Thank you for allowing me to be part of this journey on this path with you. May you find peace. May you find strength. May you find renewal as you transcend the challenges of PTSD. You have the power within you to reclaim your life and embrace a brighter future. Thank you.